Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Steam and your OS are up to date. Updates often resolve protocol mismatches. Next, sign out of Steam, then sign back in to refresh your cloud token. While you do that, disable VPNs, proxies, and test with your firewall off for a moment so Cloud Sync can communicate. Make sure you note which games show the cloud error and any specific messages. This narrows where to focus next and prevents accidental data loss. Once done, inspect Steam settings for cloud status and open the affected game's properties to toggle Keep Game Saves in the Steam cloud. Compare local save timestamps against the cloud version. If local is newest, back it up outside the Steam folder. Run Steam as administrator to avoid permission blocks, then use Clear Download Cache to reset sync metadata. Restart Steam and watch the cloud icon. If it still errors, collect the exact error text and prepare the log files for the next step. You now force a manual resolution. Close Steam, place your verified save into the game's Steam folder, then launch the game to trigger an upload. If Steam rejects the sync, open Steam's logs or contact support with the log excerpt for targeted help. Once a sync succeeds, verify saves across a second machine or the Steam web interface. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to restore from your local backup first. Never overwrite both sources until you confirm the correct file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.